All right, let's answer a key questions. If you have a landing page on which you're trying to gather opt-ins, does adding a video to that page help conversions or hurt them? Before I go on, I'd love to hear your answer. Would you put that in the chat just so that I can see where you are mentally as you come into this video? So here's the thing. I'm going to answer that question definitively in just a second. For a number of years, I've had some pretty strong data that showed one thing. The problem is I always have to say, well, it all depends. And what I have to say is it depends because it's not necessarily the presence or the absence of a video on the page that determines your conversion rate. It's also the quality of the video. So a really bad video, a really amazing video may help conversion enough that it actually makes it so that it's way better than not having a video on that page. And so it's always been tough because every time I do a test, I can't measure for everybody out there the quality of their video. And so one of the things I've been waiting for years is a big data study of this. Guess what? We've got one now. And it gives us a definitive answer, whether it's which one is best, video or lack of video. So here it is. Let me share my screen here. This is a study done by Unbounce, which has landing page. They've got lots of online services they do. And just dropping down a bit. So 35,000 Unbounce customers across 4 data periods, late 2020 into early 2021. And so basically, here's what it comes down to. Video doesn't improve performance no matter what your conversion goal is. In other words, video doesn't improve it. In fact, it actually hurts it. So we're going to ignore this chart because it's actually confusing. We're going to look at this chart right here, which shows you the median conversion rate by video type. So if you have video on the page, on average, you're going to get a 6.5% opt-in rate. No video, you're going to get a 10.8% opt-in rate. So you've got a 40% jump there by removing video, talking about it with text. Actually, better yet, don't put a lot of text in. Just tell them what it is that you're going to give them and tell them why it's good for them. That's basically it. Now, we can go down and say, okay, let's go deeper than this. All right. So in almost every industry, videos did more harm than good. So here we get it by industry. So business services, e-commerce. And so it shows that this is the median rate for lack of video. So there are a couple of things where where like business services, it appears that it's a little bit better to have a video. Finance and insurance, it appears it's a little bit better to have it until you look at the spread of it. So here's what the spread means. It means this is giving you the median. Okay, now I'm going to get into median versus mean. Let's just say it's the average, okay? But what we can see is all the data overall for business services. It shows you're significant. That there's a whole lot more up here than there are on putting a video in. In other words, this data right here, for those of you who don't know how to read these kind of graphs, this graph right here shows that it's better in virtually every industry to not have a video on your page. There you go. Oh, and then they said, hey, what about for social? Because, hey, social is really popular. Well, okay, let's go down and look at this for a second. So for organic search, median conversion rates by channel with an embedded video. So what it shows is the organic search, it's 6.4. Others three, paid search is 2.9. So clearly, if you're going to do paid search, you don't want to put an embedded video on there. Referral and social. So social, hey, it's basically not much better than the median. Remember, the median was 6.5%. And so it's not much better than the median for social. In other words, hey, it really doesn't matter whether you use social or not in terms of that. And by the way, let's consider in terms of desktop versus mobile. Clearly shows no video wins on desktop and it wins on mobile. So there you go. Some hard data. Instead of my doing 40 tests, this is 35,000 tests. And so it's looking at 35,000 different sites with video on them versus not video on them. And what they found was, even with a large number of videos, video itself tends to hurt conversion. I could try to guess and tell you why. Does it matter? The important thing is this. If you put a video on your landing page, you're likely to hurt your conversion rate. So how about if we all just save ourselves some time, effort, frustration, stress of doing the right video and getting it perfect and getting the lighting right and getting the microphone right and everything else like that. Let's just not do it. Because the data says putting it there hurts you more than helps you. Let's just go create amazing landing pages and get ourselves those opt-ins. Okay? Pretty good data. Glad we've got it. What are you going to do as a result of this? Do you currently have video on landing pages? And if you have you tested it versus lack of video? The only way I would put video on a landing page today is if I actually had test data that shows that that particular video beats the very best I can do for having no video on my page. All right? Let me know your experience in the chat. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.